I'm sure if all wanted to teleport from one place to another, in a simple snap of a finger, you get there. But sadly, this isn't the movies. What we can do though is travel the distance from one place to another, like right here. You see, speed, velocity, distance, displacement, and acceleration, all the stuff you learned in high school you thought was boring, is actually very useful in our everyday lives. If you're like me, you like to go to the bathroom at midnight, from your room to the CR, and for me it takes exactly 14 steps to get there, making its distance, well, 14 steps. And if you calculate this displacement using the Pythagorean theorem, the displacement becomes 9.22 steps, exactly. Oh, I didn't see you there, but frankly. An example on how we could use speed in our everyday life, let's say, if you were like me, is to calculate the amount of words you write per hour. Let's say you have a 500 word essay due at 12 a.m. and you only start at 6 p.m. and you write about 100 words per hour. That means you have enough time to finish before it hits 12 a.m. because it'll take you 5 hours to do your 500 word essay and you have an extra hour of gaming.
Like Romo.
Look, it is! Let's do a more normal example, if you may say. Last week, I biked around Mario Luisa for 15.21 kilometers and did in about an hour and 25, which means my average speed was 11 kilometers per hour. Of course, I rounded up the numbers to make it more easy to understand. And my velocity was 0. Why 0, you may ask? Well, it's because I started from my house, biked around the village, and went back to my house, which means this displacement is 0 and the velocity is 0. How about acceleration? How will acceleration help us in our daily lives? Well, if you're a track player, it's really important to run fast, as, of course, it's track. And going from 0 to 20 as fast as you can at the start of the race is really important. So having good acceleration at start is really important.